Hello students, now today we start our lesson number 8. What is culture? Now this lesson is written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born in 1889 and died in 1964. Born in a renowned family at Allahabad. His father Motilal Nehru was a noted lawyer. His mother Swarup Rani was a cultured, noble and God-fearing lady. At the age of 15, he was sent to England for further education. He studied at Harrow for 2 years and in 1907, he moved to Trinity College, Cambridge. He read such authors as Dickens, Kipling, Mark Twain, H.G. Wells and others. He actively participated in India's struggle for freedom. After independence, he became India's first Prime Minister. The discovery of India and the glimpse of world history are Nehru's permanent contribution to the literature of the world. His historical writing is praised for its vividness and skillfulness. While writing his views, he is never bigoted and narrow. So students, here in this paragraph, you read about the biography of Pandit Nehru, when he was born, where he was born, from which type of family he belongs to, and then from where he studied. So all these things you have to learn it, because in your exam there is one question of writing a biography about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So all of you know it. Now in this chapter, what is culture? In this essay, this one is an essay. All of you know what is essay, where we present our thoughts. In this essay, Pandit Nehru, in trying to prove into the real meaning of culture, in this essay he tells us about what is the real culture. He admits that it is difficult to define the word culture. Although each nation and each civilization develops its own culture, it is impossible to find a culture that is pure and unaffected. According to Pandit Nehru, the culture of a country is influenced by its geography and climate. People of every country consider their culture best and they are proud of it. Culture means inner growth in a man. He must know how to behave with others. He should understand others and make himself understood. So students, in this essay, पंडित नेहरू ट्राई टू प्रूव दैट, पंडित नेहरू ये हमें बताना चाहते हैं कि कल्चर का रियल मीनिंग क्या है, और वो ये भी बोल रहे हैं कि कल्चर को डिफाइन करना बहुत कठिन है, क्योंकि हर एक नेशन का, हर एक सभ्यता का, हर एक सिविलाइजेशन का अपना खुद का एक कल्चर होता है जो वो अपने से डेवलप करते हैं. तो किसका कल्चर प्योर और अनअफेक्टेड है ये पता लगाना बहुत इम्पॉसिबल है. पंडित नेहरू के अकॉर्डिंग जो कल्चर होता है किसी कंट्री का, वो इन्फ्लुएंस होता है वहाँ की ज्योग्राफी और वहाँ के क्लाइमेट के अकॉर्डिंग. तो हर एक कंट्री का जो पीपल होते हैं, लोग होते हैं, उनको अपना कल्चर जो है वो सबसे बेस्ट लगता है और वो उस पर प्राउड फील करते हैं. एंड कल्चर मीन्स इनर ग्रोथ इन अ मैन, और कल्चर का मतलब भी है कि जो हमारे अंदर की जो ग्रोथ है, विकास हो रहा है, वो है कल्चर. ही मस्ट नो हाउ टू बिहेव विद अदर्स. तो जो कल्चर्ड लोग रहते हैं उन्हें मालूम होता है कि हमें दूसरों के साथ कैसा बिहेव करना है, कैसा बर्ताव करना है. एंड ही शुड अंडरस्टैंड अदर्स, और वो दूसरे को भी समझते हैं और अपने आप को भी समझाते हैं कि हमें किस तरह से रहना चाहिए. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी learn about what is culture in Pandit Nehru's view, what he gives us view to define the culture. So students, your homework is to read the first part of that lesson, the biography of Pandit Nehru and the summary of that lesson, and in next video I explain you the chapter. Thank you.